Hey everybody, JT here. I hope this finds you well. Just wanted to jump in today and make some comments around what's been going on in the stock market. Um, there's, of course, been a lot of news about GameStop and really day trading in general, which is becoming an ever more popular trend, um, and kind of my take on it. So, the first thing I would say is it's so important during times like this to stick to a good, solid game plan for investing our money. We know it can be tempting to want to go and try and day trade our account and make a short term gain on something. But day trading is not good investing. Okay, it's more of a short term fix and it's an emotional thing. And yeah, it can be fun. It also can be not so fun depending on how we do. And that's why, for some of my clients that just feel the need to do that, we want to keep their investments, the vast majority, in our models so that we feel like we have a handle on their retirement plan. And we give them a sandbox account if they need it to trade their own money, where they can go out and do whatever they want, and or we can do it on their behalf with their instruction, and the risk to them is minimalized. But we really want to avoid doing a lot of day trading on our money in times like this. And like I always say, investing for the long term takes courage. That's how we're rewarded as investors, is courage. Back in March of 2020, we had to have courage when the coronavirus hit and the market was not doing well. Today, we have to have courage in another way, which is to not do impulsive things for a short term gain and keep our eye on the prize for the long term. And in both regards, this takes a lot of discipline and courage. And so I would just advise you to hang in there. Our strategies are good. We're doing really well. And just try and avoid reading the paper, watching too much news that tells us X, Y, or Z, because it's just not good for us. And please read the article down below. People want to know, where are we headed with this administration? Where are we headed with this market? The answer is we don't really know, and we don't really care. And that sounds bad. Of course, we have our opinions and we care, but just from an investment management standpoint, we're agnostic to where things are going to go. We're going to get the research. We're going to do a fact-based approach on our investments. We're going to make decisions every the first of every month, like we are today, on how we're going to manage the money moving forward. And we're not going to let the outside noise influence us, whether it's something on social media or our favorite news outlets that have a speculation about something that might happen. We don't listen to it. That's what makes us good investors. So hang in there, stick to the strategy. If you have to tinker with something, create a sandbox account, go play in the sandbox, but don't jeopardize the majority of your money on something speculative. And reach out to us. A lot of you have done that. We've talked through things. I think we all feel better when we have those conversations. Use us as your advisors to help guide you. We're really looking forward to 2021. There's a lot of great opportunities out there, and it's our job to help you find them. So with that in mind, thanks for being with us. Schedule some time with us when you can. Otherwise, until next time, have a great day.